Hey everyone, here we are, Lesson 10, Level 7, Choosing Your Own Adventures with Multi-Selection Statements with the Theater. So let's look at the national parks and see what we're being asked to do there. And I'll zoom in on this a little bit so it's a little bit easier to see. So in the park scene, we're going to write the choose size method to check the area in acres of each national park. Got it. And then we're going to return the size to the draw image. And if the number of acres is greater than 1 million, we'll return a size of 100. If the number of acres is greater than or equal to 100,000, we'll return a size of 50. Otherwise, we will return a size of 25. All right, got it. Got it. So let's take a look at the Theater Runner class. So in the Theater Runner class, we've got an array of string objects that are the names that we are getting from the parks list. And we have an integer array called acres, which we are getting from the acres text. So my guess is that Acadia National Park has 49,077 acres. We have a park scene object that we've created, and that park scene object takes the names string array and the acres int array, and then we are going to draw those results. Got it. So let's look over here at the park scene class, which extends the scene class. So we've got the two private instance variables of the string array and the integer array. Good. And then here is a constructor where we pass the parks string array and the acres integer array. And here is the public integer. It returns an int, and it's the choose size method that gets past acres. And I'm wondering, should that be the array? Let's see. Write the method to check the area in acres of each national park and return the size to draw the image. Oh, well, I guess not. I guess we're just going to, well, let's do this. If, I'm going to try this because it's just giving us acres. So if acres is greater than 1 million, I'm going to return 100. Else if acres is greater than 100,000, I'm going to, I hope I spelled return correct there. I'm going to return 50. Else, I'm going to return 25. I think that's all this is going to take. I can delete this return statement, which was just there to keep it from throwing an error, but I think that's going to be okay. That's 1 million, that's 100,000. Make sure it's okay. Well, let's run it and see what happens. I don't know what else there is to do here, kids. It's running. Oh. So I'm trying to figure out like where, I wonder if the draw, so here's where it goes. So it's looping through the acres, it's looping through the acres array down here, and it's getting the size. So that's where they're calling the acres method. So I did not have to loop through that up here. That's what I was thinking I was going to have to do, but I guess I didn't. So, because they do it down here for me in the draw results method. And they just have those little pictures that they're putting out there. So, all right, let's stop it and let's run the test to see how the test came out. And it did. All check marks. All right, kids. We'll go to the next one next.